Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class level 2 problems were completed up to 16. Now this is 17th question. Read the question, what they are given. Standard deviation of n observations is 4. Another set of n observations is 3. Then standard deviation of n observations x1 minus y1 x2 minus y2 like. So here we know the formula. Variance of ax plus by is equal to a square into v of x plus b square into v of y. Students, here sigma 1 of x given. Sigma 1 of x value is 4. Then sigma square of 1 of x, that is equal to 16. Sigma square means v of x only now. So I am writing here v1 of x, that is equal to 16. Similarly, sigma 2 of x, that means second observations, observe that standard deviation given. How much? 3. Do that squaring on both sides. Sigma 2 square of x, that is equal to 9. But this is sigma 2 square of x means v2 of x only, variance. This is 9. But we need to find sigma of x1 minus y1. Here need to change. No need to write sigma 1, sigma 2 like that, because the question already given v1, v2, x1, x2 observations. Those I am changing. Here x1. This is also x1, vxi. Or sigma x also we can write, but here second observation I am written mistake. This is y. Sir, no. See here, y terms are there. So here we need to write y, not x. This is the correction. Okay. So here you can write only x, enough. No need to write x1. Okay. Xy difference is there. Now standard deviation of x1 minus y1 they are asking. Standard deviation of x1 minus y1. So what I am doing, first I am going to find a variance vx1 minus y1 by observing this formula. X1 coefficient what? 1. 1 square into v of x minus y1 coefficient is 1 by observing this formula only. 1 square into v of y. Okay. 1 square means 1. V of x value already we know that 16. V of y value 9. We know that. Substitute here 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. Then what is answer? What is answer here? 7 or not? But here small correction. What is that? Here we can take plus. Here we can take plus by observing the options I am writing here. Instead of 1 square, take that minus 1 square. Is it correct? So here in place of minus 1, I am writing plus of minus 1, minus y1 like this. Y1 coefficient is minus 1 only. Here we get plus 16 plus 9, 25. This is variance of x plus y. Variance of x plus y, not x1, y1. Sorry, remove the x1, y1. Okay. Now they are asking standard deviation. Sigma of this is not x plus y, x minus y only. variance of x minus y, that is equal to square root of 25. That should be 5. This is the answer. Which option correct? Third option correct. So here the variance of first 10 multiples of 3 given. First 10 multiples mean 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. These are number of observations, 10 only. So n is equal to 10. These are all form AP series. Common difference is 3. Now variance, how to find out? I mean, this is the formula n square minus 1 by 12 into d square. N is 100, d is 3. Substitute, calculate here. You get answer 74.25. That is fourth option. This model also very, very important in mains as well as MCET. Let R be the range and S square given. So here one condition given. S square is less than or equal to R square K. Then K is equal to Here we know that sigma square formula. What is sigma square formula? 1 by n into sigma xi minus x bar whole square. Here one term is there now. How to calculate here? Take n cross multiplication, send to left hand side. N sigma square is equal to sigma xi minus x bar whole square. This is one condition. Now, finally see that what they are given. S square is less than or equal to R square K. Here we know that R square is less than or equal to small sigma square is less than or equal to R square. When R given range, this is a shortcut condition, standard result, remember it. Then what is S square, students? 1 by n minus 1 into sigma xi minus x bar whole square is less than or equal to R square K. So here, observe this value, how much? What about this value? Here already is there. Substitute n by n minus 1 into sigma square is less than or equal to R square K. Already we know the condition here. Sigma square is less than or equal to R square. By comparing both, what is K value? K value is equal to n by n minus 1. By comparison, K value we got n by n minus 1. This is the answer. Which option correct? Second option. But remember it, R be the range of S square. Here, sigma square is less than or equal to R square. Use this condition or directly you can compare, no problem. Because 10 sessions conducted now. Out of 10 sessions, 2-3 sessions, these type of models given. Read the question. Mean of the following numbers is 6. Mean given. What is mean formula? Tell me. Sum of observations by total number of observations. Yes or no? So here x bar is equal to 6. Now what is x bar means? A plus b plus 8 plus 5 plus 10 divided by how many? 5. That is equal to 6. Do the calculation. A plus b, that is equal to 5 6 are 30 minus 23. Finally, what is a plus b value? 7. But we want a value, b value. Verify the options. All are correct. All are correct. So go to another condition. What they are given? Variance is 6.80. Variance given. Now find the variance. Variance means sigma square. Sigma square value is 6.8. But sigma square means what is the formula? 1 by n. That means 1 by 5 into sigma xi square. That is a square plus b square plus 8 square. 64 plus 25 plus 100 minus mean square. Mean square means 6 square. That is equal to 6.8. Okay. Now a square plus b square 100 64 25. How much? 789. 189. 189 minus 6 square means 36. Take the LCM. 5 into 36. How much? 180 divided by 5. That is equal to 6.8. Okay. Now a square plus b square. A square plus b square. That is equal to 5. Take cross multiplication. 5 8s are 40. 5 6 are 30. So we are getting 34. 34. 189 minus 180. 9. Send left hand side. That is minus 9. Overall, observe here a square plus b square value. How much we are getting? 25. By observing both the conditions, verify the options. A square b square value 35. Where it is possible? Only fourth option. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 4. So by verification, we got a value is 3, b value is 4. Students, are you understood? By verification, we got the answer. Suppose a population A has 100 observations. Those are 101, 102, and so on up to 200. And another population B has 100 observations, 151, 152 up to 250. VA and VB represent variance of two populations. Then VA divided by VB. Here I am writing like this. XI observations. What are the observations here? 101, 102, 103, and so on 200. Okay. Next, second observations. I am going to write YI. So that is 151, 151, 152, 153, and so on 250. Here observe the difference. XI is 101, first observation. YI is 151. That means each observation is increased by 50. Yes or no? So here AB, two observations here. Here you can write, okay, this is XI only. VA of XI or VB of XI, I am writing directly. VB of XI, that is equal to VB of YI, no? Not XI, this is YI. VA of XI plus 50. Yes or no? VBYI is equal to VA of XI plus 50. YI observation is increased by 50 by comparing XI observation. Then how to write the variance? That is equal to, what is XI coefficient? 1. 1 square into VA. This is you have to think VB. What is VB? 1 square means 1 only. VB is equal to VA. But they are asking VA divided by VB. VA divided by VB. That value should be 1. Students, are you understood? Xi, yi, both observations observe that. Second observations are increased by 50 by comparing Xi observations. Okay, so finally, first option correct. If the mean deviation about median of the numbers, mean deviation about mean or median or mode, same formula only. If it is their mean, there we are writing mean formula. Okay, see here, mean deviation. What is the formula first of all? Mean deviation about median. What is the formula? 1 by n sigma xi minus m or md, median. So here we want to put modulus, mean deviation now, otherwise it is going to 0. Okay, first we need to find median. How many observations are there? So here xi, I am writing here xi. The number of observations 50, a comma 2a, 3a, and middle values also I am writing 25a and 26a and so on 50a. Middle value, so that means median how to find? Suppose 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 5 observations. First write the either increasing order or decreasing order. These are in increasing order. What is the median? 7, middle value. For suppose one more value is added, then what is the median? Middle values, average of middle values. This is a median. So how to find median here? Average means 7 plus 8 by 2. Okay, here 50 observations are there. Those are even number of observations. So average of middle values we want to take. Okay, median is equal to middle values 25a plus 26a divided by 2. Overall, we are getting 51a by 2. And read the question here. Mean deviation of about median is 50 given. Don't forget this. 50 already given. Now 50 is equal to 1 by 50 into sigma. So we need to expand the sigma. Modulus. First observation, a minus median 51a by 2 plus second observation 2a minus 51a by 2 plus and so on. Middle values also observe 2a minus, not 2a, 25a minus 51a by 2. Just only one value I am written. At the last value, what is that? 50a minus 51a by 2. This is. Now 50 is equal to 1 by 50 into, friends, here calculate that. Take LCM, 2a minus 51a by 2. This is overall 49a by 2 plus second one, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 51 minus 47. Modulus is a now 47 a by 2 plus and so on. Last number, observe that 2 into 50, 100. So here we get a by 2. We get a by 2. See, what is the common here? A by 2 common now. A by 2. A by 2 into 50, 100 into 49, 47 and so on. 1, 3, 5 and so on. 47, 49. These are odd numbers. Sum of odd numbers formula n square. Sum of odd numbers formula, that means 2n minus 1. Sigma 2n minus 1 value n square. But n means how many numbers are there? Total 50 observations. Here we get only 25. So 49 plus 47 plus and so on up to 1. These are 25 odd numbers. Now we get 25 whole square. Sorry, 25 whole square. Yes or no? Now calculate this. 49a by 2, last term. One second, students. 2 into 51. 2 50s are 100. Correct. Yes. But 2 into 25, 50. Right. 1 second, students. Here little bit confusion. In middle, we are getting a by 2. Again, it is going to increase 3a by 2 plus and so on up to 49a by 2. So finally, by observing this, each observation is twice repeated. Each observation is repeated right here into 2. Now it's okay. Here also 2. Okay. Now calculate this. Now calculate. 50 is equal to 2 50s are good. And here one more 2 is there now. Where is 2? I'm written already. Where I'm written here 2. Here also 2. Okay. Next remaining. A into 25. That is, you can write 25 into 25 divided by 50. 25 twos are here, 25 twos are. Overall, 2 is equal to a by 2. Then what is a value? 4. But they are asking modulus a. Modulus a is 4. This is the answer. Okay. Which option correct, students? First option, modulus of a equal to 4.